Sometimes an estate needs cash before the house or any assets sell. The key is knowing when a cash advance helps and when it quietly eats up the inheritance. Sometimes an estate needs money before the property sells. Mortgage payments are due. Taxes are due. Insurance needs to stay active. HOA, they want their money too. Repairs, those need to be taken care of. We have funeral expenses that are pending. Beneficiaries may be under financial pressure. That is where probate cash advances or estate loans can come into the conversation. When used carefully, they can prevent bigger problems. Used poorly, they can become expensive really fast. There's several possible sources. Probate lenders may advance funds against unexpected inheritance. Some estate loans may be secured by the property. Family members may loan money to the estate. Each option needs to be documented properly. The key question is not simply, can we get the money? The key question is, does the cost make sense compared to the cost of waiting? If a home is about to go into foreclosure, a cash advance may protect significant estate value. If insurance is going to lapse, funding that premium may be critical. If a few repairs will unlock a much higher sales price, short-term funding can make sense, but interest rates and fees matter. Probate lending can be expensive. Before using it, compare the advance cost against the carrying costs, likely sale timeline, and expected net proceeds. If the estate borrows $20,000, but delay and interest consume far more than expected, beneficiaries may be unhappy. Common requirements may include issued letters, a property valuation, title review, and documentation of the probate timeline. This is why organization matters. At Probate Solutions Colorado, we're helping families evaluate whether liquidity options make sense from a real estate and asset perspective. Sometimes the answer is to borrow and preserve value. Sometimes the answer is to sell faster. Sometimes family funding is the cleanest path. The right answer depends on the estate. Do not take a cash advance just because someone offers one. Let's run the numbers first. If your estate needs funding before selling an inherited property, call myself, Erik Gruenwald, or Christy Libertor. Visit Probate Solutions Colorado. As always, reach out, set an appointment on that Calendly link that's right below. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you are navigating probate here in Colorado, we are specifically in Jefferson County, Colorado, but we have resources throughout the state. Every county is a little bit different, but we have every resource you need. We look forward to hearing from you again. Have a great day.